If you've ever wanted to bring your own multiplayer games to life, welcome. In this new game development course, you'll learn how to make multiplayer games using Unity, C#, and Photon 2. This is a course aimed at beginners, having never made multiplayer experiences. We'll bring you through the whole process, from the loading screen, to designing a lobby, to actually having two players on different machines interact with the same world. By the end of the course, you'll have created a little multiplayer game called Golden Ray to enjoy with friends and family. But most importantly, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make your own original work. We'll teach you how to create and join multiplayer rooms, sync animations, visuals and scripts over the network, create a player controller that can dash and screen wrap, make enemies, a flexible spawning system, and more. This is an introduction to the vast universe of multiplayer game development. MMOs and enormous battle royales won't be within reach, but the first small multiplayer games you make will help you build momentum, confidence, and slow but steady skill on your journey to tackling giants. If you're not sure you'll like our teaching style, we suggest you check out our YouTube channel, Blackthorn Prod. Fills to the brim with free tutorials on Unity, programming and game art, as well as plenty of devlogs for inspiration. We have experience making games and a great passion for teaching others what we learn, so we hope you'll trust us when we say you'll have a blast following this course, and learn a great deal in the process. You'll also have access to the course's private Discord server, where you can connect with a community of fellow game developers, find people to playtest your multiplayer game with, and ask for help if you get stuck. We hope to see you in the course. Cheers!